Iguanas are impressive lizards that can grow up to 1.5 meters long. Despite their wild appearance, most iguanas are completely herbivorous. When they feel threatened, they can defend themselves by whipping their tails like a whip. Some species can dive 20 to 25 meters deep when they jump into the water. Iguanas have powerful eyes that can even see ultraviolet light. They spend most of their day sunbathing to regulate their body temperature. They can change color when they are stressed or feel threatened. By slowing their heartbeat, they can hold their breath underwater for up to 30 minutes. When their tails break off, they can often grow back. Iguanas communicate with each other through head bobbing and body language.